Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to revamp your wig. So one thing that people misunderstood is your wig has to be tangled, your wig has to be like terrible looking before you revamp it. But no, you have to revamp your wig like twice a year, like at least twice a year. So the first thing you need to do is to detangle the wig inside out. Like you have to properly comb it, detangle it, and make sure that everything is in good shape before you put it inside water. So this shampoo, this is not the shampoo actually. The shampoo I use is factory shampoo, but is in a big jar, so I always put it in a smaller container like this. So you can use a bowl, you can use a bucket, you can use anything that you have. So but I'm using this basin because I can close it and I can open it when I want the water to go. So the first thing is you open it, you have your water in your bowl or in whatever you want to use, then add your shampoo to it. Like be generous with your product, like be generous with it. Can you see the way I'm washing? You brush it all the way down every time you put it in the water. You do that inside out as well. So you don't just like just put it and wash it as if you are washing clothes. No, you can't afford to wash it like you're washing clothes. So this is second washing. Sometimes we think the wig is not dirty, but in reality it's actually dirty. So this wig, before I could get a clean water, I had to wash it like 3 times. And don't forget, this is wig that I wash often, and I've not worn this wig in a while because I wanted to wash it before wearing, because after the last washing was last year. So I've not worn this wig this year. No, I haven't. So I decided to, like, it has been there packed, and don't forget, dust and everything has affected it. So while you wash your outside of your wig, the hair, the cap is important, like very important. If you wash the hair and you don't wash the cap, like, you're going to get a smelly cap. Can you see that second water? Can you see what the second water is even looking like? So I washed it the 3rd time. Like, you just have to do that. Make sure you wash it on the water is clean. And now I'm rinsing it out. So you wash the inside, you wash the closure part of it as well. Like, you turn it inside out, all the closure part, put your shampoo, wash it, because those are the places that stays on your head. But if you ignore that part and all you care about is the hair itself, you are missing the point. So you have to wash it, wash your hair, and then turn it inside out and wash the cap and the closure net as well. So this deep conditioner is, I made it is my own mixture that I've been using, and it has been working for me for a very long time. So I always do it, and I put it in all these small container like this. So I brought about 3 of it when I was coming. And this is a mixture of a rinse out conditioner and 2 different type of deep conditioner. I use the cholesterol, and then I use the moisture deep conditioner. Then I added my oil to it and I did the mixing. I use a hand mixer to mix it together, and that is what I've been using for a very long time. And trust me, all my customers always come back, because what, I make sure I give them the best of the best. So apply it inside out generously, layer by layer. Like, you cannot afford to just rush it. You have to apply it layer by layer. And this is my first time of trying this out. They say it works, yeah. But what I've been doing is, when I do that and I turn it inside out, I tie my wig in a nylon and put it in a ziploc. Then put the ziploc in a bucket, pour hot water on it, and cover it with a towel and another bowl. I just want it to steam. I want that product to penetrate every aspect of it. And you can also do that method if you don't have this cap. So I left the cap for 1 hour, and this is what it looks like. So it's time to wash it out. This part, you have to, like, rinse out everything. Make sure that all the products are gone. So if you do the bucket on, as soon as the water get cold, you can wash your wig off. so you don't have to wait for 1 hour. You just need the product to penetrate. This process always looks like simple. Yeah, it's simple, but it's time consuming, and you have to be extremely patient, like super patient. The washing process, if not, you get a tangled wig and you will not like what you get at the end of the day. But when you do that, when you are patient and you follow this process, you get the best. Can you see what it looks like after washing and after deep conditioning? Don't just wash your wig, deep condition it. So this is the wig after it's dried. So I allow my wig to air dry. Like I always prefer my wig air dry on its own. I don't like to like use dryer or something to dry it. You can use your hand dryer as well, but I prefer it to dry out on its own. So air dry. After that, you brush it out all over again. So this is me applying my serum. So instead of applying the serum layer by layer, you can apply the serum to everything at once. This is just to prevent you using too much of product on it, because in reality you don't need so much product on it. So apply it generously, apply it, make sure that your serum gets to every part of the hair before you start straightening it. Trust me, when you do this and you wear your wig, you'll be happy that you did, because it's going to like come out really nice and beautiful. So you section the wig. I did the lazy job here, so I was supposed to do section by section, but I was doing two row at a time instead of one. But I still got the result I wanted actually. So after you do that, you still like use your tail comb to comb it, because the brush might not do this smooth brushing or combing like the way the small comb will do. So this is straightening time, and when I get to the tip, I just turned it a bit just to get that coffee look. This is 12 inches. It cannot be like bob like when you're bobbing 10 inches or when you're bobbing like 8 inches hair. So I just want that curve, not, I don't want it to be super straight. And the way I cut this hair, I did this in such a way that I did not want it to be too short. So there are some part of it that are, when you get to the upper part, they are not like the same length as the one at the back, but I like it like that. I've been rocking it like that for like almost 5 years now, and yeah, that is the look I wanted. I just wanted the length. I didn't want, if I want to cut 12 inches, proper 12 inches, it's going to be shorter, and I did not want anything shorter than what I have. So just keep straightening. You can run your straightener like 2-3 times until you get your desired look. Like, don't be in a hurry to do it, and make sure that you are taking section, small section. Like, don't take too big section. If the section is too big, the straightener might not, like, you might not get your desired result. So I'm going to continue doing this and show you how I also did the closure. So thank you for watching this video, and for all our returning subscribers, thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for always turning back. And if there is a particular kind of video that you want, kindly put it in the comment section, and I will do just that. So just let me know what you want. What kind of video would you like to see on this channel? Like, I really want to know the kind of videos you want to see, and I will make them just for you. So I'm done with every part. So this is the last part before the closure. So the closure part is what I do last. Like, that's the last thing I do. And yeah, so I just want to show you how I did the front part as well before I moved to the closure. I think my straightener went off at that point, and I had to like turn it back on. This straightening part took me time. I was just lazy. Can you see the length issue I was telling you? Can you see? But by the time I'm done with it, you will notice that the front is actually short than the back. Can you see? Everything will just blend in. And yeah, that is why I'm able to enjoy this hair like with the way that the length are not the same. So I'm just like going to straighten this part and then show you how I did the closure part of it. So don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can suggest it to other people. So when you like it, you are telling YouTube that, oh, you like this video, and they can suggest it to other people. Can you see how shiny and silky this hair is? Oh my god, can you believe that this hair is almost 5 years? So I sell these wigs, and I always assure my customers that any hair you get from us is the best of the best of the best of the best. We will not give you hair that is going to give you problem. And when our hair have any issue, especially factory problem, we make sure to do refund, because we know it's not your fault. It's completely our fault. So for this closure part, I'm just applying my serum to it, because when I was applying the serum, I didn't apply it to the closure. And then I'm going to use my wax stick on the roots. You know, closure have all this tiny hair, so this wax stick is going to tame that hair down, and so that I will not have any fly away or fly over. So yeah, I'm straightening it, and that is what I'm going to be doing. So make sure that you do your closure line by line, section it like line by line, and then each part make sure you section into another 2 or 3 depending on how long your closure is, and straighten it. Like, don't be in a hurry to do this part. You just have to like take your time, do it, the small, the big. Make sure you touch every part of it, so that by the time you are done, you have a very amazing look. Can you see how everything just balanced together? So I'm going to take another section, because this closure is just 2x4 closure. I did it 3 times. I sectioned it to 3. If your closure is 4x4 or 5x5 or is frontal, you know that that's a lot of work. Like, you have to take your time and do it. So just follow the process and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please don't watch this video without commenting. I need your comment. I want to know what you think. I want to know your thought on this video, and please make sure you watch it to the end. So this is the last part of the video. Yeah, this thing I was using, the tail comb, the part that I'm using to part the hair is not smooth, or it's not tiny enough, so I didn't get a perfect pattern. And yeah, but still it wasn't bad. It was good. So this is the final look. I hope you like this wig. Don't ever say until your wig looks stand good before you wash or revamp it. You have to do the revamping at least twice a year. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with family and friends, and I will see you in my next video. So the part, I'm just using the hot comb to like straighten the closure, make it very flat, make it tame, beautiful, whatever. Yeah, so and that is it about this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.